Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So recently I was thinking about buying some gold. Then I asked myself, which day would be the best to buy the gold? And also if I am trading, which day is the best to sell the gold? Then I thought, okay, I know statistics and why not studying the behavior of the gold during the week over the last 5 years since 2019. So this is not a financial advice. I'm very beginner, but I thought it's good to share with you some insights from the statistical outcomes that we are going to see today in this video. And I hope you like this video and you find it beneficial for you. So let's see and go for the Excel sheet. So as you can see here, this is the graph of the gold price per uh, oz of gold in USD since January 1st of 2019. Actually, it was quite challenging to find a full price of every day since 2019 because usually the database that is online it's missing some of the days for every week. But finally, I was able to do one, and I spent a lot of time revising the data so that I can do a proper investigation or a statistical study on the gold price for each day. So we can see here that at the beginning of January 2019, the price of gold it was around 1200. Right now, it's about 2400 US dollar. So let's see the analysis since January 2019. So what do we see here from this graph basically? What I found basically is that Monday usually have the lowest value compared to the average of the week. And this was done for all weeks and I averaged this value. So when after ranking this, I found that Monday usually it has the lowest value for the gold and Sunday is the most or the highest value of gold, which means if you are trading, you might need to buy on Monday and basically sell on Sunday. And we can see here from this graph, it's showing basically that the percentage of weeks since 2019 that the cost or the price of gold was above the average. So we can see here that Monday it was around 40% of the weeks. It was the average of the gold cost. It was more than the average of the week. However, we can see here that Friday and Sunday, it's almost 60% of the weeks. The cost of the gold on Friday and Sunday, it was above the average of the week. And we can see that the comparing the pricing on Monday and Sunday is statistically significant between both days. And basically, we can see that since 2019, we have a pattern that mostly the prices of gold on Monday for the same week is less compared to Sunday. And you can see it's kind of gradually increasing during the week, but actually it is not very far distance. From this line, we can see how far the value from the average of the week. And basically, we can, from this graph, we can see the variation of the cost of the gold on Monday among different weeks since 2019, and this has been done on every day. So, in brief, since 2019, we can see that the best day to buy the gold it's basically on Monday. We can say also on Tuesday, it's good time also to buy gold, and the best days to sell gold it's going to be on Sunday and maybe sometime also on Friday, but you have a lower margin of profit on Friday. So Sunday, it seems to be preferred, or there's more chance to gain some profit if you sold it on Sunday. So I did also this analysis. I thought, okay, let's do this since 2020. And I did the same analysis again, and we can see that almost the same pattern that we see here, that the lowest value of the gold during the week was on Monday, and the highest value was on Sunday and also on Friday. And we can see here that the number of weeks or percentage of weeks that had the value of the gold was above the average of the week. It was around 42% for Monday. However, it was around 60% for Friday and Sunday. So we can see that Saturday it is not a good time to sell the gold itself, and neither the other days to sell the gold. So the best Friday and Sunday seems to be, and the best times to get the gold would be Monday and Tuesday. Then let's see for the data for 2021. So we can see here that it's also confirming that it's not a good idea to sell the gold on Saturday, and it's the best is to buy it on Monday or Tuesday and to sell it on Friday and Sunday. The data from 2022, we can see from here that also agreed the same pattern happens. Monday the best to buy, and Friday and Sunday the best to sell. Then go to 2023, we will see also the same pattern here. Best day to buy gold is on Monday, next is Tuesday, and to sell the gold is basically Friday and Sunday. Then lastly, it's 2024, which is just like the last 4 months. You can see that the best time is to buy on Monday, maybe on Tuesday, but I would say it seems from this one, this was much far from the average, or much lower from the average, the price of the gold. So I would say the recommended it was on Monday. Following to that, it seems to be Wednesday. But let's stick to the same pattern because we have seen this since 2019, which means it's over 5 years, that Monday the best to buy, and Friday and Sunday would be the best to sell the gold. And remember that when you buy the gold, I would say the lowest value during the day, so you need to observe on Monday when the kind of seem the curve is going down during the day, and you buy at this moment, and hopefully you get some profit over time. And basically on Sunday or Friday also you need to monitor the pricing and see the highest point in order to sell. And just as a reminder again, that this is not a financial advice, it's just I'm sharing with you some of the insights that I have seen in the data of gold price for the last 5 years. And I would say, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends who would like to invest in gold. And wait for my next video. I am going to talk about if you are doing automatic investment plan, what would be the best approach? Is it weekly, bi-weekly, maybe which day, monthly? What the best day? And this is going to be based on statistical analysis on the historical data for gold. Please, if you have any question or comment, please write it down. And thank you, and see you later. Thank you so much.